Yeah. Hi everyone, good morning. I went to the local mechanic shop just to maintain my old tires. So I just wanted to retain the old tires so that later on I can revert to the main original setting. And if I want to go anywhere like in hills or some other place, and if I want to use the same spokes wheel. It has been separated now, although these are quite heavy. It will take at least 2 rounds to take them upstairs. Let's do that. These are the boxes and the spokes. It's time to wrap them. Let's do it. It's time to place those boxes in a safe place. So I have a box at my home, and a big box actually. It's a stored room kind of. So let's see if I have sufficient space. It may be dark, and let's see if I can have some space. I think I can place it right over there. It has a good amount of space. Let's try there. After the hard work, as you can see, I have placed the spoke wheels in the storeroom, and success after the good hard work. It took lots of effort to think and visualize what exactly you want to show, right? And there is one small sample I am going to show you guys here. I hope you can understand now. I request you guys to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so very much.